Hello, hello, ça qu'a fait, ça qu'a bail là, n'a boulé, n'est qu'à bouger. That's exactly what we're going to talk about in this English class today. Stay tuned. Welcome, folks, to a new English lesson. Well, if I ask you today, what are the most common words Asian people use to greet other people? What would you say? Bienvenue à ou même dans une autre classe anglais, une autre leçon anglais pour aujourd'hui. Si m'ta mando qui mot que haïtien plus utilisé le ap saluer une l'autre, qui sont t'a dim? Me suppose qu'on t'a dim ça k'ap fait, ça k'ap bay, n'a boulé ou qu'on est nèg la. So those are the words we are going to learn today. The way you can greet people in English. First, let me start by telling you there are two ways you can greet people. A formal way and informal way. Il y a deux façons où capable saluer moun. Une façon qui formelle, l'autre la li informelle. Lundi formel, par exemple, si vous paraît dans un bureau, si vous avez une personnalité, un personnage public, pas public, un personnage qui a une autorité, par exemple, que vous saluer de façon qui est formelle, que vous saluer. Mais l'autre là qui est informel, ou plus rencontrer généralement avec des gens qui amis dans la rue, n'a pas enjoy, you know, and then you just greet your friend, your partner. So let's go to the informal way first. On allait d'abord de façon qui est informelle. Usually you say ça qu'a fait, ça passé, ça qu'a bail, ça gen la. Let me tell you, one of the mistakes usually people make in English, they usually want to translate word by word. En pile fois, gros erreur que moun fait en anglais, c'est là où vous traduire anglais à mot à mot. Vous voulez chaque ça dit, faut que j'ai une traduction mot à mot et puis pour coller tout le monde ensemble. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Let me tell you. For example, when you want to say ça qu'a fait, ça qu'a bail, there's many ways you can say it. You can say, for example, what's up? What's up? What's going on? How are you doing? Sometimes, how are you doing? But it's how are you doing? What's the matter? Ça qu'a fait? Quel problème? What's the matter? So let's summarize a few questions you can ask when you are greeting someone. On nous résumer quelques questions qu'on capable poser au monde le wap saluer. Hey, what's up? What is going on? What's going on? How is life? How is life going? What's the matter? What's cooking? Long time no see. Long time no see. Son expression qu'on capable utiliser pour dire moun m'gen longtemps pa wè. Nous connaît haïtien utiliser ça en pile. Ça qu'a fait? M'gen longtemps pa wè. Hey yo, m'gen longtemps pa wè. Ça qu'a fait? Yo, what's up? Long time no see. So a few ways you can answer those questions. Quelques façons qu'on capable répondre avec question ça le moun pose le la saluer. You may say, I'm doing good. I'm doing fine. I am okay. I am struggling. I am struggling. Nous connaissons haïtien utiliser ça en pile. Le haïtien dit, ou connaît, n'a plus été. Bagay yo pas fin en forme, non, n'a plus été. I am struggling. You know, I'm doing fine. I'm doing good. I'm doing great. I am fighting. Those two expressions, the expressions are yo, I'm struggling and I'm fighting. Qui veut dire n'a goumen, n'a lutter. Nous connaissons haïtien utiliser en pile. N'a goumen, n'a lutter. You may say I'm struggling I'm fighting. And ou ka repon tou pou di, life is good, life is doing well, I am doing well. E yon nan kesyon Haitien pose an pil tou, le ap salue moun, koto ap bay la, where are you going? Where are you heading? Now the second way you can say it. Where are you going or where are you heading? Ki bo ap bay la, ki bo ap metet. I am going to, and then you say where you going. Maybe you're going to church, you're going to school, you're going to work, you're going to see a friend. Peut-être qu'on ka prale l'église, ou ka prale l'école, ou ka prale nan travail, ou ka prale wè yon zami. So ou ka di, I am going to, then you say where you are going. I'm going to work, I'm going to church, I'm going to have fun with some friends. M'pral enjoyment m'pral bay blag avec quelques amis. I am going to have fun with some friends. Can you repeat that sentence after me? I am going to have fun with some friends. Good. So now it's just informal way you can greet someone in English. Now, for the formal way, really it's more polite. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. How are you doing today? How are you today? Those are the formal way you can greet someone. I am doing good. I am doing fine. I am okay. Everything is okay. Everything is fine. Those are the ways you can answer someone who greets you in the formal way in English. Or sometimes you can even say, I'm doing great by the grace of God. Nou konen Haïtien son peuple qui kwen nan bon Dieu, qui kwen nan l'église yo en pile fois moun nan kon di, ou konen nou en forme en bas men grand maître la, grâce à grand maître la, grâce à Dieu nou en forme. So you may say, I'm doing great by the grace of God. I'm doing fine by the grace of God. Now, before we end, avant nou fini, before we end, I got an homework for you. I'm going to devoir de maison pour vous. Because, you know, practice makes perfect. English learning is an active process. We learn by doing. So, now, what you're going to do for me? Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire pour moi? You're going to choose someone in your family or your friends, someone in your neighborhood. You're going to talk to him, greet that person in English, the formal and the informal way. Now, qu'est-ce qu'on va faire pour moi? On va choisir un moun la kayou, ou bien un zamou, yon moun qui nan voisinage ou, pour aller essayer saluer li en anglais. On va utiliser ni façon qui formelle là, ni façon qui informelle là. Practice time. Let's go. That's all we have for today. Don't forget and never forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. And if you like it, click the thumbs up. Then leave a comment below. I will see you next week. Definitely.